And we're back on with the eye cooking. So today I'm making pizza. My mother made challah dough. I don't know how is this gonna work. I'm gonna have to wait for hours. And she had leftover dough. Leftover dough. This is ketchup. Just instead of the sauce, we're looking for sauce. We had leftover dough, and I wanted to make myself a square pizza. We had no shredded cheese, so I'm using cheese sticks. So I don't know how this is gonna work. We're doing it right now. So let's just get over here. I already put a lot of onions. Now we're in my cabinet right over here, and we're gonna be putting some mushrooms on it. Okay. Okay, now we're looking for the can opener. Where is the can opener? 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 Oh, thank you, Mom, for giving us the can opener. Oh, wait, we don't need a can opener. We can just open it like this. We opened the mushrooms. I don't know if you can see that or not. We're spilling out all the water, the water, the water, the water, the water. Okay, guys. Spill out all the water. Open this. It's really crowded camera right here.
Yo, Kevin, you need to dress up. You need to wear undershirt. You can, under.
I don't know if you can see that, guys.
Oh, wear something.
Here are the perfect mushrooms. Don't want to be putting on the mushrooms. Putting it on the mushrooms. The background noises, don't worry. I'm putting on the mushrooms, some mushrooms, some mushrooms. Putting on the mushrooms. You see, it's after Pesach, and I can't go to the pizza store. That's mad disgusting. You know how they sneeze? They wipe their gloves, and they say their gloves are clean, or they're cleanest thing on earth. And I don't trust those people. I like topping my pizza with a lot of stuff. You know, I want to make it overflow. Now with the cheese. Done. Da-da-da done. Da-da-da done. Da-da-da. Oh, wait, sorry. Wait a second here. He's opening the cheese. Oh my God. This is so hard. First packet of cheese opened. Now, I don't know. Should I slice it? Should I make it thin strips? I have no idea. I think I'm going to be making it thin strips. Let's do this right now. Just cut this in the middle with one hand. Oh, guys, this is one-handed, so the camera can be perfectly good. Now I'm cutting the cheese in half. Down it's going. Oh, this is mad hard. This is cheese. This cheese, cheesy. Let's just do this quickly. Elias, cut the cheese in half. Perfect. Now you want to put the cheese one more time. One slice.
Look, you have to wait forever, so it helps a lot. This dough. See, it helps. No.
Okay. You know what? I had enough. Let's just rip it apart.
Where are you gonna put this pizza? You gotta clean up then. Let me go through, please. Don't do this video. Give me. Don't do this kind of videos.
You heard that, guys? Interrupting all the time.
Да. Нужно, конечно. всегда бери, ты только тогда взял гриль плохой, мне не понравился. Да, но тебе батарейка не нужна. Бери
Guys, see the
такой
cheese
гриль, чтобы он
pieces?
был
Hold the
такой,
camera.
такой гриль,
Here's
да.
the cheese pieces.
Без батарейки, такой бери. Он всегда делаешь флаг, он работает.
Why did you take my flip phone?
And so basically, we are going to put this beautiful piece of masterpiece into a toaster oven for a bake. Remember, bake for like the highest it has for at least 30 minutes until you see it's ready and it's crusty and it's good and all the cheese is melted on top. Until you see it's ready, goodbye. Like this video, subscribe this video. I love you guys. Now have a great day and keep yourself healthy at home. Bye.